Good morning students. Today's topic is a join query. So join query that combines the rows from one or more table. The example of join query is this. Select star from employee comma department. So here we can see when we are selecting a data from more than one row, so this is called a join query. So here this will display the complete data of employee table and complete data of department table. So this query will give you the Cartesian product in all the possible concatenation are performed of all the rows of both the tables employee and department. So what do you understand by Cartesian product? Suppose the employee table contains 10 rows and whereas the department table contains 3 rows, so this will display total 30 rows. So in case of Cartesian product, all the rows of first table will be multiplied by all the rows to another table and columns will be added. Now takes the another example of join query. So when we are writing select star from employee comma department where employee dot department number equal department dot department number. So this is the indication for removing the Cartesian product from the query result. So this will display the complete details of employee table and department table without Cartesian product. So we can say in this table 4 rows in the employee table. So here will be 14 rows in the employee table. So this will display complete 14 rows from the employee table that contains the employee number, e-name, job, MGR, hire date, salary, commission and department number. And this will also display the complete details of department table that contains the value of department number, department name and location. So we are seeing the result of this query is displaying department number 2 times here. So we can remove this with the help of following query. So this will be the example of this one. Select employee.star. So complete data will be display of employee table and dname and location will be from only department table where employee table dot department number equal department table dot department number. Now there are the different forms of join query. First one is equijoin. So the join in which the columns are compared for equality is called a equijoin. Second category is a non-equijoin. In this, in non-equijoins, the table's data will be compared A non-equijoin is a query that specifies the relationship other than the equality between the columns. Next category of join is natural join. So what are the difference between a join and natural join? In join query, the common column will be displayed 2 times, whereas in case of the natural join, common column will be displayed only 1 time in the result. So the joins which only one of the identical column is comes from the existing table is called the natural join. We can also use the query like in this way: select a star from employee join department. Or when we want to perform the Cartesian product, then we can use the cross join command. Select star from employee cross join department. Now the next category of join is a left join and right join. So in left join, all the rows from the first table will be returned whether there are matches in the second table or not. Let us understand this with the help of following example. There is the table department that contains the department number from 10 to 80, department name and location. And we are writing the command here: select department dot star means all the columns of department table employee name MGR from department left join employee on department dot department number equal employee dot department number. So this is the result of this query. Now we are seeing, okay, in employee table there is the matching records and the department number there is only 10, 20 and 30. So here in the output of this query we are getting 40, 50, 60, 70 and 80 also, which is not match in the employee table. So we can say here this is the left hand side table and this is the right hand side table. So system will display all the data which is used on the left hand side in this query. Similarly, in case of the right join, the system will display the all the rows of right hand side table and display only the matching records which is used in left hand side of the table.